Today, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from Android to Gmail. This is a really simple process, and it can be helpful if you're switching to a new phone or if you want to back up your contacts. Why would you want to export your contacts? There are a few reasons why you might want to export your contacts. To back up your contacts in case you lose or damage your phone. To switch to a new phone or computer. To share your contacts with someone else. To import your contacts into another email service, such as Outlook or Yahoo Mail. The first step is to open the Contacts app on your Android device. This app should be pre-installed on most devices, but if you don't have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Contacts app, tap on Option Fix an Amp. Manage from the bottom. In the section, tap Export to a file. On the next screen, you'll be able to choose a location to save the VCF file. I recommend saving the file to your Downloads folder so that you can easily find it later. Once you've chosen a location to save the file, tap the Save button. If you are exporting a large number of contacts, it may take some time for the file to be created and exported. What is a VCF file? A VCF file is a file format that is used to store contact information. It is a text-based file that can be opened and edited in any text editor. However, it is best to use a contact management program, such as Microsoft Outlook or Google Contacts, to open and edit VCF files. Now, after you have saved the file, you can import it on Gmail. You can import contacts directly on your browser or in the Gmail app. I will show you how to do it in the Gmail app. If you want to import it on a web browser, just open contacts.google.com in a web browser. On that website, you should have in the menu an import feature. Let's see how you can do this on the Gmail app. Open Gmail. Tap on the three dots menu from the top left. Scroll down and find Contacts. Tap on Import from File. Select the Gmail account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the correct account when exporting and importing your contacts. Now go to Downloads or where you saved the file and tap on it. The import process should start. Your contacts will now be imported into Gmail. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the number of contacts that you're importing. This is how you export and import contacts from Android to Gmail. That's it. You've now successfully exported your contacts from Android to Gmail. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.